What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, back with another video for you guys. As you can see by the title, you know what we doing. And
my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Get your ass on.
yeah.
You know my hair black.
Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, all my siblings here. Brown. And then Niall's in the bed. And Sticks is playing a game. I mean, not playing a game. He's watching TV. Yeah. And then Nini's right there. Zoom running around here somewhere. There he is. So yeah. So we finna get this hair done, and make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah. Okay, so first you start with the braid down, cause I mean your braid down, it don't matter how much braids you do, but you just gotta make sure it's flat. So we gonna braid it, and then we gonna speed this process up, right? All right. Okay, y'all, so I just figured out, I'm like, I'm gonna try to do a TikTok. Let's see if it blows up. If not, it don't. So yeah, we're gonna try to do a TikTok. I mean, installing the wig as well. Make sure you follow my TikTok. It's gonna be right here. Ooh, there's glare. But yeah, so keep watching. Okay, so we're gonna oil the scalp. Okay, so we're gonna use this gel to slick our edges down. And yeah, and I pause the music every time I record for the YouTube because I do not want to get copyrighted. So yeah. Brush this edges back, period. Period, just like so. Sorry, I'm looking in the mirror right here, so. Yeah. Okay, slick back. Slick back. Oh, a big bag. I'll punch in your face. Right, so I'm gonna spray this on my hairline. You see the hairline? So you spray it on your hairline, and then you kind of spray it. Oh, it's so cold, bro. Perfect. You just been stupid. Perfect. Don't mind my sisters in the back. Okay, guys, so we finna blow dry it on cold settings. Okay, so you cut the ear tabs out and then you pull your ear out basically. So it's like this. Sorry, I had to cut the music off real quick. But you just take it and then you just pat it on the cap. Hey, boy. What? That's it. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna put it in time lapse. So yeah, just keep watching. Just get the makeup and rub it on the lace. Period. So yeah, rub it on the lace. And I'm gonna do a middle part, so that's where I'm gonna put it at, in the middle. Mostly in the middle, but you put it all on the lace still, but I'm just gonna do it mostly in the middle.
Did I just fall in the shower?
But I'm gonna speed this part up too, so. Put it on. Well, actually, I'm gonna cut the wig cap first, cause yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut it right.
My friend Izzy from online school.
I just
At
cut
her
my
old
foot.
school, she felt a little lost, but at Connections Academy, she had all the support she could handle.
Yeah. Okay. So
And
grab
then
the
some.
scissors back, guys. Remember I told us, ooh.
We took our fan favorite Little Caesars Crazy Puffs and made them even better with bacon. They'll make you say, whoa, crispy apple with smoked bacon. Whoa, delicious cheddar cheese sauce. Whoa, there's 4 of them. Whoa, only $3.99. Whoa, the new bacon and cheese Crazy Puffs for only $3.99 at Little Caesars. They taste like whoa.
Pizza, pizza.
Stop kicking my.
So it's all cut. This is what it's not supposed to be straight. So, but it's not supposed to be straight, guys. So now we're just gonna put some more makeup on it. And okay, so now we're you're just going to get the wig and put it on your head. I'm just taking this and putting it on the front. This is real good. We'll dry it. You're supposed to make it sticky after this. And do that 3 times. I got it on. I'm just trying to like get it in a perfect spot. Yeah. We got that band on, got that band on, got that band on. So we're gonna do a regular middle part. Talk about that. Just the trick, boo. So I got this on there, and we put a little bit on there, and we're just waiting. Well, we're not waiting. We're gonna flat iron it and hot comb it and salt. Girl, you finna pull out my whole wig. Did you got a hold? I'm trying to get it. I'm trying to untangle it. You said what? These curls hot. You said what? Take you out of there. My address? I'm in Snellville. Huh? You said text it to me. You not.
Goddamn.
I forgot to say that I could stick with this. Okay, so this is the hair. Still got a little extra lace on there, but and don't worry about that because you're not gonna see if the hair like this. Duh. So but I'm gonna make videos and have my lashes and stuff done before I get my post this video so y'all can actually see. Look cute. So yeah, I'm gonna do one video when it's gonna be me putting this on and doing this, and then the other video is going to be a maintenance video. 2 videos in one, period. So yeah. Yeah, this day
I did go to a party, so and it was very hot, so that's why my wig is lifting.
Comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video, and make sure you go and watch the maintenance vlog so you can see everything else that I got done, because y'all are probably like, wait, how you get your nails done? Yeah, make sure you go watch that maintenance vlog, and yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah, see y'all in the next video.